Hi, Jeff with Prater here. Today we're talking about our BAV Airlock. The BAV Airlock is one of our quick clean options. One of the features of this is the ability to open this airlock up simply by removing these 6 T-bolts. So this is much quicker than taking apart a standard airlock and taking the end plate off. So once these T-bolts come off, simply pull the end plate out, and it's on these 2 rails, so it slides easily. The rotor here is connected to this end plate, so you need to clean this. It's much easier to clean it when it's all apart like this. We use this airlock in a lot of food applications, an application where there needs to be cleaning done on a regular basis. Another application we tend to see this used in would be an application that's running different pigments. So maybe they're running different colors through this pigments through here, and you can't have a blue pigment contaminate a red pigment. So take it apart, clean it out, slide it back in, and start running your next piece of, or material through it, and putting it together just as easy. You slide it back in, replace it with these 6 T-bolts, and boom, your airlock is back in service and ready to go.